Respected Principal and President of today's inaugural program, Dr. M.S. Ali, Guest of Honor, ISTE Executive Council Member, Dr. P.B. Patil, all the Deans, Head of the Departments, Faculties and dear participants. A very good morning to all of you. A warm welcome for the inaugural program of the 2-week ISTE approved STTP Doctoral Research Induction Program organized by Professor Ram Meghe College of Engineering and Management, Badnera. Without taking much of your time, I request Dr. Kiran Dongre to give the background about DRIP.
Honorable President of today's inaugural ceremony, Chairman of 2-week program, and the Principal of PRMCEAM Badnera, Dr. M.S. Ali sir, the program coordinators Dr. Preeti Kholke and Dr. Pawan Deshmukh, all deans, all head of the departments, my dear colleagues and all my dear participants. A very good morning to all of you. I, Dr. Kiran Arun Rao Dongre, Program Convener, welcome you all on behalf of Vidarbha Youth Welfare Society's Professor Ram Meghe College of Engineering and Management, Badnera, for inaugural ceremony of AICTE IST approved self-financed 2-week short-term training program on doctoral research induction program DRIP. Dear participants, our institute PRMCM with the standing of years runs undergraduate courses, postgraduate courses and PhD in electrical engineering, in electronics and telecommunication engineering, in computer science engineering and civil engineering. We have a very strong research culture. We encourage and involve our students in research projects, may it be under Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Center IEDC, which is funded by Department of Science and Technology, and Business Incubation Center, which is funded by MSM. To promote this research culture, the idea of DRIP get initiated. Our source of inspiration for this program is our beloved principal, Dr. M.S. Ali sir. He will be the mentor for coming all 10 days. I request you all to take the best of this session, and I assure you that your learning temptation is going to definitely satisfy by attending this particular program. So let me walk you through his brief and motivational profile.
Thank you, sir. Before the presidential address, let me walk you through the profile of Dr. M.S. Ali, our mentor and president of today's program.
Dr. M.S. Ali completed his BE Electronics and Power from Government College of Engineering, Amravati in 1981 with First Division. He completed his master's degree M.Tech in Power Electronics from IIT Powai, Mumbai in the year 1984. He obtained his PhD in Electronics Engineering from Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Amravati in the year 2006. Dr. Ali has served with RCF Mumbai for 2 years, from 1984 to 1986. He joined College of Engineering, Badnera, Amravati as lecturer in Electronics Engineering in the year 1986, became assistant professor in 1988 and professor in 1998. He had been the head of Computer Engineering Department at PRM Institute of Technology and Research, Badnera, Amravati from 2005 to 2009. Dr. Ali has been on the university's various bodies like Board of Studies, Faculty of Engineering and Technology and Academic Council since last 20 years. He is recognized PhD supervisor in Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical Engineering and Electronics Engineering in the Faculty of Engineering and Technology at SGB Amravati University. 25 candidates have completed and have been awarded PhD degrees under his guidance. Dr. Ali has to his credit 45 research papers in international journals. Dr. Ali has to his credit 24 patents and 4 copyrights. His main areas of interest are intelligent tutoring systems. Dr. M.S. Ali is currently working as the principal at Professor Ram Meghe College of Engineering and Management, Badnera, Amravati since 2009.
I now request Dr. M.S. Ali for his presidential address.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you to this inaugural function of Doctoral Research Induction Program, the first of its kind online faculty development program, supported by IST AICTE. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome all the researchers as well as the coordinator of the committee. My sincere thanks first goes to ISTE and AICTE for granting us permission to come out with such kind of a online short-term training program. And that too on a very emerging area, doctoral research, wherein we will try to instill in the aspirant a research aptitude, which is already there, but it is to be discovered, rather, it is to be brought out. My sincere thanks go to Honorable Vidarbha Youth Society for granting us permission to go for such kind of an online program under IST banner with self-financing online program of 2 weeks duration. What is the significance of doctoral research? The name has been indicated here as Doctoral Research Induction Program. Significance of doctoral research. When a person gets diploma in engineering, he or she acquires license to assist. When an engineering graduate acquires a degree, or any science graduate acquires a degree, it is licensed to work. Particular to professional degrees, it is licensed to work. Whereas when a person acquires a PG degree in any profession, maybe engineering and technology, pharmacy, medicine, then he has acquired license to practice. So diploma stands for license to assist, skill-based. Degree, license to work, analysis-based. PG degree, license to practice, design-based. PhD degree is license to teach. And that is the reason UGC, AICTE, they have made PhD as an entry-level qualification for teachers in higher-end technical education. License to teach, I must have a PhD degree. So, now comes another parameter. There were certain myths. One of the myths was that teachers are born. Good teachers or teachers are born. It was a myth earlier. This myth has been broken. At national level, we have NCTE, National Council for Teachers Education. So it has been identified that teaching is a skill and persons can be trained to be good teachers. So this myth has been broken now. Teachers, we have B.Ed, D.Ed, M.Ed degrees wherein we can train a person to be a good teacher. So the myth that teachers are born is broken. Programmers are born. Yes, this was another in computer programming. In earlier days when Fortran and COBOL started, it was under the impression that programmers are born. In 1965, it was Dijkstra who introduced the concept of structured programming, and then that time it was identified that programming is a skill and it is possible to test or rather train programmers. So the myth that programmers are born has been broken. Another myth, managers are born. As it has identified that teaching is a skill, programming is a skill, it was also identified by father of management, Warren Buffett, that managing is also a skill. You can train a person to be a good manager, good leader rather, good administrator. So business schools were opened. IIMs and all, they have proved that they can train, they can instill the skill of managing, and good managers can be trained. So these myths look at that teaching is a skill, programming is a skill, managing is a skill. So you can always train persons for those skills. Why I am talking about this is, following fact needs to be established. There is one fact which needs to be established. And what is that fact? Researchers are born. Mind you, it is not myth. Researchers are born. Researchers are born. Means everyone is a born researcher. And this is not mine. I have simply paraphrased it. It is the saying of great Nobel laureate Albert Einstein. Everyone is born genius. Means everyone is a born researcher. We need to bring out the latent talent. Latent and talent, you observe, alphabets are L-A-T-E-N-T, T-A-L-E-N-T. Same. Latent. Talent is always hidden. That is to be brought out in terms of research. The purpose of doctoral research induction program is that we have started with this mission, that we would like to bring out the researching genius among people who are interested in bringing out that. So this doctoral research induction program, which has been abbreviated as DRIP, is an online IST AICTE sponsored short-term training program of 2 weeks duration, and it is outcome-based program. It is an outcome-based program with one review paper publication in the outcome as the outcome. Why we have kept this as a deliverable? That over the period of 2 weeks, when a person is getting trained under research methodology, he or she should be able to see the deliverable after 2 weeks, and that deliverable will be presentable to the world by publishing it into an international ISSN journal, which is peer reviewed as well as open access. I am thankful to IETE, Institution of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineers, New Delhi, IETE headquarters. They are publishing IETE Journal of Research, which is a Scopus Index journal. We have requested them that whatever is going to be the outcome of this 2 weeks program, that will be presented to them, and if they find them according to their editorial norms, then they will come out with a special issue. Only 15 best papers from this program will be accepted by them, and they will be printing it as a special issue of IETE Journal of Research. Otherwise, other papers will be published in an ISSN open access journal, which is a peer reviewed journal, and the paper is also going to be a review paper. So this doctoral research induction program is going to be an outcome based program with a one review paper based on your research area interest will be published. Now, in this 2 week outcome based program, what is the plan of action? Some of the details we will be covering are research will be defined, how to read the research paper, how to carry out the literature review, how to identify area of interest, topic of interest, title of interest, finding the resources, outlining the research, writing the research and publishing the research along with your plagiarism check. Everything will be covered in this 10 days, 2-week program, wherein the deliverable will be one review paper. So all the participants, they must see that for next 2 weeks, they have to buckle up, and with us, they should be working on their area of interest and publishing one review paper on the area of their research interest. I would like to mention here the quote from great son of soil, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who was our distinguished, he was definitely President of India, but he was a distinguished fellow of IETE. He once said, to succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. So for next 2 weeks, dear all participants, see that you devote yourself single-mindedly to one goal, that I would like to see what is my research IQ, and I will like to have one research paper as a review paper rather published in good ISSN journal. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. Officially, I declare that DRIP, Doctoral Research Induction Program, is open from today, 20th of July 2020, day 1 with the research defined. For access, the selected shortlisted participants have already been sent the link to have sign up access to the material available there day wise. It will be accessible only day wise. Day 1 material will be available on day 1 only. You can please visit and sign up at azuali.com/drip, and the material will be available to you. It will be streamlined, session wise, tutorial wise, assignment wise, and then you have to make the submission according to the instructions given there. So happy researching, and thank you very much for being with us. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you, sir, for your knowledgeable insights. Feeling thankful and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. To express gratitude in words, I request Dr. Preeti Kodke, coordinator of this program and the head of the department, Computer Science and Engineering, Professor Ram Meghe College of Engineering and Management, Bandera, to propose the vote of thanks. The principal and president of today's inaugural program, Dr. M.S. Ali. Guest of honor, ISTE Executive Council member, Dr. P.B. Patil. All the deans, head of the departments, faculties and participants. A very good morning to all of you. I, Dr. Preeti Kodke, take this privilege to propose the vote of thanks for the inaugural program of the 2-week ISTE approved STTP Doctoral Research Induction Program organized by Professor Ram Meghe College of Engineering and Management from 20th July to 30th July 2020. At the very outset, I am very much thankful to the approving agency, Indian Society for Technical Education, ISTE, for giving us an opportunity to host this program. I am thankful to the Honorable Management, Vidarbha Youth Welfare Society, for supporting us. Dr. Ali, our beloved principal, president of today's function, and our mentor throughout the coming 2 weeks, deserve a special thanks for his encouragement and support. Thanks to Dr. P.B. Patil, ISTE Executive Council member, for his words of enlightenment. Special thanks to the participants for showing their interest in the STTP. I am thankful to all the members of the coordinating committee for their support wherever required. I am thankful to all those directly or indirectly involved for making this inaugural program a success. A very happy learning to all of you. I am sure this program will become a kickstart for your research endeavour. Now, with the permission of Chair, I declare the inaugural program as concluded. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks a lot once again.